Hello, how are you? I am going to demonstrate practically how to print via AutoCAD software. First, we need to connect the printer USB to our laptop. Okay, then set printer to laptop. Then open the AutoCAD file and make the command like plot, plot, enter. Then the plot folder come. Then we set our printer here and select the printer. Then select the page. We are going to print in a A4 page. So here is the window or display. We are going to connect via window and select the object, then preview. Then if the preview is okay, everything is fine, then we're going to plot. Here is the option plot. Just press it and wait for the print. So command go to the printer and print is done. So it's very simple and easy. That's our print come.